Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of presentation skills. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to refine your abilities or a beginner eager to learn the ropes, this video is your guide to becoming a masterful presenter. We understand that presenting can be daunting for many. But with the right knowledge and practice, you can turn those nervous jitters into powerful, confident communication. Good presentation skills aren't just about speaking clearly. They're about engaging your audience, conveying your message effectively, and leaving a lasting impact. Effective presentation skills involve not only what you say but how you say it. Your body language, tone, and visuals all play crucial roles in making your message memorable. To master presentation skills, you'll need to focus on three key elements: content, delivery, and engagement. These elements are the building blocks of a successful presentation. We'll explore how to craft compelling content that resonates with your audience, deliver it with confidence and clarity, and engage your audience from the very beginning to the very end. Content. Clarity and structure. Ensure your content is clear, well-structured, and easy to follow. Use a logical flow with a clear introduction, main points, and a memorable conclusion. Relevance. Tailor your content to your audience's interests and needs. Address their questions and provide valuable insights or solutions. Visual aids. Use visuals like slides sparingly and make them visually appealing. They should complement your speech, not replace it. Practice. Rehearse your presentation multiple times to become familiar with your content and its flow. This helps reduce nervousness and ensures you stay on track. Delivery. Confidence. Maintain a confident posture, make eye contact, and use a clear, steady voice. Confidence in your delivery will engage your audience. Tone and pace. Vary your tone and pace to keep the audience's attention. Use emphasis and pauses to highlight key points. Gestures and body language. Use appropriate gestures and body language to convey enthusiasm and engagement. Avoid distracting or nervous habits. Breathing techniques. Deep, controlled breathing can help calm nerves and improve your voice projection. Practice deep breathing exercises before your presentation. Engagement. Audience interaction. Encourage audience participation through questions, polls, or discussions. This fosters engagement and active listening. Storytelling. Weave relatable stories into your presentation to make it more memorable and emotionally engaging. Visual engagement. Incorporate visuals, videos, or props that capture your audience's attention and illustrate your points effectively. Humor and emotion. Use appropriate humor and emotional appeal to connect with your audience on a personal level. Be authentic and relatable. Practice. Rehearse. Practice your presentation multiple times, ideally in front of a trusted friend or colleague, to receive feedback. Recording. Record yourself while practicing to identify areas for improvement in content, delivery, and engagement. Time management. Practice within your allocated time frame to avoid rushing or running over your allotted time. Feedback. Be open to constructive feedback and use it to refine your presentation skills. Remember that becoming a skilled presenter takes time and practice. By focusing on these key elements and implementing these tips, you can develop and enhance your presentation skills to captivate your audience and leave a lasting impression.